What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be installing these side skirt extensions on the GTR today. We got some nice weather. I've had them for a while, haven't really put them on, but I think it's time. See if they got some G Fuel today. Can't find any more G Fuels. Guess NOS is gonna have to be it. Alright, so I guess today we're trying the NOS Nitro Mango. I've never had this one before. So let's see what this one tastes like. Pretty good. I haven't been able to find G Fuel at any 7-Elevens now. I'm gonna have to start looking at like at Walmart's or something, but every 7-Eleven they're out. So I'm gonna have to start drinking something else, guys. Damn. Got some squiggly brakes. Uh-oh. We got the popos over there. Good thing I'm not going down there. Man, those guys are just busy today. I just saw them like on the other side of town earlier. So these are, I don't even know what brand these things are. I got them from like overseas. These are ALC side skirt extensions for the R32. These only work if you have the Nismo or the N1 spats. So this thing is gonna look freaking sick once it's on the car. It should go on something like that. Damn, that thing looks sick. Look at that. It doesn't come with holes, so I'm gonna have to drill my own holes. I kind of want to drill onto the original existing holes that the side skirt has. I don't want to be drilling like new holes on there, but I don't know. I'll see how I put this thing on. I'm gonna start on the other side. The side skirt extensions came out pretty good with the extensions. It just gives it a different look. So it's getting kind of dark, but I want to show you guys really quick the side skirt extensions. Those things look freaking good. It makes the car look a lot lower too. These things look so much better. I like these 100%. Don't worry, it's not the last thing I'm going to be doing to this car. I got one more thing in mind. I'm saving up for it because it's kind of pricey and it is carbon fiber, so I love these side skirt extensions. thing we're doing is filling up Jackie and then going back home. Only putting up $25 at a time. Because if I ever have a full tank of gas, I'm spending all of it. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like and enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. I upload every Friday, so see you guys on the next video.